and we go over here and check the YouTube channel calculator, they're earning somewhere around $60,000 a month passively. Hey, welcome. Thanks for coming. I'm Kyle, and I'm going to teach you how to make money from anywhere. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a passive income stream on YouTube and make you money in your sleep for the next 3 or 4 years. Let's go. And stay to the end of the video, and I'm going to give you guys a second bonus way to make passive money online. All right, so our first stop is bensound.com. This is where you're going to get your free music that you can use anywhere. I'd suggest acoustic folk, cinematic, or maybe jazz. And our next stop is unsplash.com. This is where we're going to get our free picture. It's also royalty free. Basically, meaning we can use this as well wherever we want. So check these tabs out up here. An easy choice is nature pictures. Maybe something just like this. Hey, if you're liking this video, smash the like button, subscribe button. That helps me out. That helps YouTube send more people here. Thank you much. So then go to kapwing.com. This thing is awesome. It's a free video editor. This will let you add your audio to your video, add that picture to your audio. Tons of editing, trim the edges, spice videos together. This thing. And if you think this is silly, check out how much money these guys make. This channel here, Meditation Relax Music, is just exactly that kind of thing. And they've got 2 million subscribers already. And we go over here and check the YouTube channel calculator. They're earning somewhere around $60,000 a month passively. That's the basics of building your own channel on social media, starting to gain followers, and earning passive income. Now for that second bonus way I was talking about, now I can teach you how to start adding affiliate products into your description, tying it into your YouTube channel or your TikTok channel, and start to make even more money selling those items for other people. That's what I do. That's what's awesome for me and making me good money online. And if you want to do that yourself, check the link down below. There's a 15-day business builder challenge. It's $7. You'll meet my mentor, Dave Sharp, who runs the 15-day business builder challenge, and you'll learn how to do online marketing and grow your channel. And it's only $7. So if that interests you, click the link below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.